Coinomi Wallet is a multi-currency wallet that allows you to store, manage, and exchange a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Here's how to use it. Install Coinomi Wallet. Download and install Coinomi Wallet from the official website or app store for your device. Create or restore a wallet. Open the app and you'll be prompted to either create a new wallet or restore an existing one using a recovery phrase. For a new wallet, set a strong password to secure your wallet. Add cryptocurrencies. After setting up the wallet, tap on the Assets tab to view available cryptocurrencies. To add coins, simply search for them in the app and toggle them on. Coinomi supports hundreds of assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. Send and receive cryptocurrencies. To receive cryptocurrency, select the coin, tap Receive, and copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. To send cryptocurrency, choose the coin, tap Send, enter the recipient's address and the amount to transfer. Confirm the transaction. Exchange cryptocurrencies. Coinomi integrates with Shapeshift and Changelly for in-wallet exchanges. Go to the Exchange tab, choose the coins you want to swap, and confirm the trade.